Hi everyone, I'm Sushmita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a review on a Dot & Key product. This is the Dot & Key 72-hour Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. I have honestly finished up a whole bottle of this already and this is my second one. So I actually have quite a lot to talk about this product. Before we hop on to the moisturizer section, I have also reviewed the Dot & Key face washes, so in case you want to watch, please check them out. I'm gonna mention it in the icon. So yeah, let's get started with this video. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this product. Let's just look at it. It's such a cute packaging. It looks like a hat. It's like a summery thing and I absolutely adore the packaging. All of the Dot & Key products are so aesthetic, so pleasing, and I love this packaging so much. Okay, enough adoring the packaging. Now let's actually talk about the product. Now this one is the bigger version. I have the 60 ml one right here. They also have a 25 ml one which is quite like smaller. वो honestly मैंने I guess एक महीने के अंदर ख़त्म कर लिया था. It's such a small little tube, so I think the value for money is going to be this one because it's priced at 595 rupees and you do get quite a bit of product. This is the 60 ml product which will suffice for quite a lot of time comparatively. Talking about the consistency of this product, this is a gel-based moisturizer, of course. Now, I really love the fragrance of this product as well. This has quite a bit of aquatic fragrance to it. This is how it looks like. It's very gel finish and this just like seeps into your skin so well. It's so good. Now this product is something that I will recommend especially to like combination as well as oily skin. They prefer a gel based moisturizer because it doesn't look oily, it doesn't look sticky, and it makes sense. I myself again have combination skin and I love this kind of product especially underneath my makeup. It's not gonna look super oily, greasy, and you know, the makeup really sits well under these kind of products. I love gel based moisturizers, and people those who are like falling into the dry to normal skin can also use this. I would honestly say this is a lot better product than other gel based moisturizers in the market. You will find much cheaper versions of this, like बहुत affordable versions के moisturizers आ रहे हैं आजकल in the market, but I feel that this is quite hydrating at the same time. I have tried other moisturizers, gel-based moisturizers, the one from Pond's and a few more that I don't really remember right now, but they are very thin in consistency, you know, so it doesn't feel hydrating enough. Even though I have combination skin, my face feels like it needs more hydration, and I go ahead and pick like other moisturizers that I have in my collection, which speaks a lot about this product because ये लगाने के बाद ऐसा feel नहीं होता that you need more hydration. This is really good product and this is again, as I said, perfect for oily to combination skin. This also has hyaluronic acid in it and that ingredient needs no introduction. It's supposed to give you a very hydrating, moisturizing, glowing, plumpy skin, and I agree to all of it. So how I really like to use this product is I scoop out a little bit of product and apply it all over my face. Now I start off with a good cleanser, and after that if I want I use a toner or I use a serum. After which I like to go ahead with the Dot & Key 72-hour Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. Again, as I said before, I really love the fragrance, I really love the consistency of this product. It just melts into the skin, gives you a very glowy and plumping effect on your skin, and I really like the way this doesn't look greasy. It just seeps into the skin so well and looks so radiant.
You can also use the code HYDRATE15 to avail discount on Dot & Key products.
As I said before, I used up the whole tube of it already and this is the second one. Speaks a lot about the quality of this product, and honestly I used to break out quite a lot past few months before for certain reason or another, I don't know. So I was having quite a lot of skincare issues, after which I decided, you know, to have like a very clean routine. So I use like a salicylic acid based face wash. I used to also use a vitamin C, again from the same brand. I love the vitamin C of this like Dot and Key as well. And I used to finish it off with this moisturizer. It does not irritate your skin, it does not burn your skin or anything. If you have like sensitive skin, it's very clean product. It's not having any harmful ingredients which is going to irritate your skin. Yet again, I don't really have much con to talk about this product, except for like when you're living in like extremely dry place, like a dry weather, or if you have extremely dry skin, this might not be enough for you. I have to be honest. You might still feel like your skin needs more moisture, but I think apart from that, like it's a boon for sensitive, combination, acne prone, and as well as combination skin. It's a perfect moisturizer. So yeah, that is for the video, you guys. I really hope you liked this like short and sweet review video. All I had was to talk good about this product because I couldn't stop myself. And if you really like the kind of video that I made and want to see more of such videos, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go through my shorts, a little bit of videos that I watched. Go ahead and you can check out my Instagram as well if you like the content that I create and want to see more of such videos, want to see more of me. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I promise to be back with much genuine, real content. And yeah, I'll see you very soon.